Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get free minutes on COOMEET. Just to be clear, this is not a tutorial for hacking COOMEET Premium or anything like that. Let's dive right in. To get started, open a browser and search for COOMEET on Google. Once you find it, go to the official COOMEET website and click on the Get Free Trial Now button. Next, select your genre and click Continue. After that, take a moment to read the rules, and once you're done, click I confirm. By following these steps, you will get 5 free minutes with a new account. Click on register and enter your email address. Keep in mind that temporary email addresses won't work here. If you try using a temporary email, you will receive a message saying no bonus. To get the free minutes, you will need to use a valid email address. For this tutorial, I have created a new Gmail account. Enter a valid email, create your account and then fill in your name and age. Once that's done, click on Start Chatting. After this, you will need to confirm your email to receive the bonus. Click on Confirm and you will get a code sent to your email. Check your inbox, find the code and enter it back to the COOMEET website. Once you confirm the code, you will see that the minutes have been successfully added to your account. Now you are all set to enjoy your free minutes. When your minutes run out, you can always create another account to get more free minutes. That's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.